The hidden upgrade every Audi tuner has been waiting for. AutoTuner's new Simos 19.2 breakthrough. Hey everyone, this is Hussein, and I welcome you once again to Baabji Motors, the place where real automobile diagnostics meet real hands-on programming knowledge. Today's topic is something that has been buzzing across workshops, tuning garages, and even those private WhatsApp technician groups we pretend we are not part of. Imagine finally unlocking something that tuners have been waiting for since the day these engines hit the roads. That is exactly what we are diving into, so stay with me. Before we go deeper, here is a quick but important copyright and fair use note. Everything you see or hear today is purely educational, meant to guide technicians, learners, and enthusiasts. We follow fair use rules carefully, and all trademarks belong to their rightful owners. And remember, always follow manufacturer procedures and local laws when working on vehicles. And yes, as always, the exact tools I am using today, including the AutoTuner and the @1, are tagged in the description below through my affiliate products. So if you want the same reliable gear I rely on every day, you can check them out with full transparency. Now here is the exciting part that I wanted to blend right into the opening itself. AutoTuner has just rolled out support for the Continental Simos 19.2 ECU directly through the OBD virtual read mode. This is a huge milestone because until now, the Simos 19 family was mostly dominated by versions like 19.3, 19.6, 19.7, and 19.8. But this new update opens the door for working on powerful 55 TFSI-e engines found in Audi Q5, Audi A6, and Audi A7. That is a big deal because these hybrid powertrains have some of the most locked-down controllers we deal with. Here's a question for you that only real technicians and tuners will understand. What do you think is the biggest challenge when working with modern hybrid ECU families like Simos 19? Drop your answer later because the discussion will get interesting. And stick with me all the way to the end because I'm going to share one very unique detail about this update that most tuners completely miss. So let's break down everything happening in this update with Baabji Motors guiding you through it. AutoTuner has finally added support for the Simos 19.2 ECU, a controller many of you have been asking about for a long time. The best part is that this support is available directly through OBD virtual read mode, meaning you can read calibration data safely without cracking open the ECU or setting up bench connections. This new protocol covers the 55 TFSI-e engines across the Audi Q5 from model year 2017, the Audi A6 from model year 2018, and the Audi A7 from model year 2018. These powertrains use the 2.0-liter engine setup paired with hybrid systems, and the ECU sitting at the center of all that engineering power is the Simos 19.2. Now, with this update from AutoTuner, you can finally work with these systems in a smooth, non-intrusive way. The ECU in question uses the TC297 microcontroller, which is known for its security layers and locked calibration regions. But with AutoTuner's new support, you can safely read calibration data, perform checksum corrections, and even return the vehicle back to stock using the tool. The right time for unlocking the ECU is around 12 minutes and 30 seconds in real-world conditions, and once the system is unlocked, writing takes only around 1 minute and 30 seconds. In tuning terms, that is almost as satisfying as finding an extra socket hidden in the depths of your toolbox when you need it most. For those who love compatibility lists, AutoTuner has confirmed initial support for the Audi A6 2018, Audi A7 2018, and Audi Q5 2017, though this list will continue to evolve, so expect more models to be added as testing expands across different markets. And let me add some friendly conversation here. When we work on hybrid ECUs like this, the tuning experience often feels like talking politely to a very strict school principal. You know you can get in, but only if you follow every rule exactly. That is why having stable read-write support through OBDV or mode is such a relief. Now, after hearing all this, let's revisit the big question from earlier. What is the hardest part of working with modern hybrid ECU families? The answer lies in the layered security architecture. Hybrid ECUs combine engine management, electric motor coordination, battery supervision, torque blending, and safety layers, making them much more complex than traditional combustion-only controllers. That complexity demands precise tools, reliable protocols, and updates like this one from AutoTuner. Personally, I think this update is one of the most important steps forward for tuners working on Audi hybrid systems. It streamlines processes, improves safety, and, most importantly, brings accessibility to ECUs that were previously locked behind complicated workflows. Drop your thoughts below. I genuinely want to hear your perspective, especially if you have hands-on experience with the Simos 19 family. Here is a fun fact before we wrap up. Many technicians do not realize that the Simos 19 architecture was originally built with future electric powertrain adaptability in mind, even before these hybrid models were publicly released. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more deep dive updates like this, consider supporting this Baabji Motors video by hitting the like button and helping us reach our target of 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments. It takes only a moment from you, but makes a massive difference for the channel. And if you want the same tools featured in the video, the affiliate tag links are waiting for you in the description below so you can explore them anytime. Thank you once again for spending your time with Baabji Motors. Keep learning, keep exploring, and as always, happy diagnosing.